Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Kiki. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire. Firefighter, please come and put out the fire. The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. Smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel. Get the trapped person. Have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Firefighting is complete. Time to equip the magical item. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the... Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. needs for rescue, firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Slide the joystick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. In the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. There is an obstacle. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. There's a fire. Put fire extinguisher can put out all fires. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. Choose protective tools for the trapped people. Yeah! Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. The trapped person is struggling. Thank you. obstacle. Get it? The trapped person is in danger. Oh, thank you. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is struggling. Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah, this is the perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors, waiting for firefighters to rescue.